Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po ania Fire Brigade Shillong. Regat bat ka Fitorium. Ka dukan ki tiar kilan met ka babhatam. Hakador ka babin.
Ka NF Healthcare India Private Limited kabalong ka way ni ki company na ka South Korea ha ka arfu arterik rumpang arjar arfu way. Kala penbanapaj ba bala Pyndait ya ki medical oxygen supply system ha Shillong Civil Hospital khanang ban yarap yi ki nongpang ki ba sya sumar hagani ka hospital jong ka sorkar kabadan ha ka dokno jong ka sor Shillong. Ya kanila pentip da menteri katanat ka koit ka khia ka sorkar jilna uba Alexander Elhek ha ka jingi kendo ya chief executive officer jong ka NF Healthcare India Private Limited u Jejun Vu hakamrat rekam jong u ha secretariat.
Second is missions. The NF is a company with a mission called saving lives. But this is not just NF's missions, but also the missions of all those who attend here and others. One of the effects of COVID-19 was that if the oxygen that was thought to be common, we think that common is oxygen, but was not supplied on time, it would cause a tremendous damage to all people. When operating in emergency, we need to provide patients with their oxygen as soon as they need it. And our family Korea and India have a strong belief that at least even one person should not be suffered from lack of oxygen. Our mission is to install it to the right place as soon as possible and make it work well without cost. Performing that mission is the reason why I make it here and I'm late. We've all realized that one of the most effective ways of saving life is providing oxygen to patients who need it. With all people here, and our family continues to take steps to implement the missions. Third thing is future. Last thing, we have a crucial improvement in Korea. The first is we recognize as government this product oxygen as a medicine, as well as listed on the Korean insurance system. It's very difficult thing to, even if the pharmaceutical company who managed globally, but NF did it. So it's instrumental improvement of business. So with this technology, we were going to work with government of Meghalaya to strengthen its health system and support on the road toward its health coverage. We would like to come toward with more if the need be. This is just one way in which NF is continuing to support the government and people of Meghalaya with science, solidarity, and solutions. I'd like to say they announced a small contribution to this Meghalaya State. We will provide donating 10 medical support systems in Meghalaya. A small contribution to the future of Meghalaya and both companies. We actually got this small contribution as one of the basic steps to shape close relationships and shaping promising futures. We have strive to support by developing intelligence medical support solutions that offer greater ease of use, improve patient safety and individualized ventilation to the patients.
We have installed as a beta version, we can say, as a starting phase in 2 MOS 450, that's a bigger machines, and 1 MOS 80, what we are right now partnering with. So we have found it out. It's not highly priced, number one. We are just cutting the prices on the manpower and the overhead services. We are cutting the price. So whatever price X amount is coming down. And as far as what we are having a motto is saving lives. So obviously, keeping the commercials aside, we are just giving the best services in the economical mode. These machines, what my CEO has said, that 10 machines we are just donating to the government, right? The balance or the prior, what has been there, it has been spent by the government of Meghalaya, and they kept faith on us, and we stood to the expectations and we delivered.
Not only for one hospital. Wherever the hospital is required is going to supply or taking this donation which is given from our friend from Korea. This medical oxygen supply system. So also our state, we are also intending very clearly, we are also intending to install not only in Shillong Civil Hospital, even in Ganesh Das Hospital and other districts hospital also, we are going to install this because it is very workable and very effective.